coaster is created by the unique track structure indicative of this type of roller coaster. We are now entering Kissing Tower Hill, perched atop the highest point in Hersheypark.
That's a restaurant.
Here you will find Hershey Triple Tower, the first Choose Your Thrill Triple Tower in the United States. However, the focal point of this area is the 330-foot The cabin windows are shaped like our world-renowned Hershey's Kisses, first manufactured here in 1907. The place known for fun and chocolate is now even sweeter. Visit Hershey's Chocolate Town to experience our biggest coaster ever, Candymonia, and discover our dining experiences, featuring unique Hershey's chocolate creations. Speaking of Hershey's products, explore the many wonders of chocolate at Hershey's Chocolate World, featuring the free Hershey's Chocolate Tour Ride and create your own candy bar attraction. Afterwards, shop at Hershey's largest candy store for one-of-a-kind gifts and souvenirs.
Gifts and souvenirs.
It's not only the chocolate and roller coasters that make Hershey sweet. Hersheypark supports Milton Hershey School.
Oh, there's a
its mission
peppermint
of helping
patty. I want a
students lead
peppermint patty
happy,
sweatshirt.
healthy, and fulfilling lives. Just as our founder, Milton S. Hershey, intended. Learn more at nhsms.org.
The Hershey Kisses are very close.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we could somehow get there.
We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory, started by our founder Milton Hershey in 1905. Today, the Hershey Company is the leading North American manufacturer of quality chocolate and non-chocolate confections. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Zoo America is committed to the conservation of North American wildlife and habitat. Visit with one of our zoo educators to learn more about the variety of conservation initiatives we have established and implemented to ensure species survival and habitat maintenance. Entry is included in your one-price admission. Enter through the bridge connecting Hersheypark and Zoo America.
People actually look like that.
We are now entering Pioneer Frontier. Ahead, you will see Trailblazer and Dry Gulch Railroad, 2 rides perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Whether it's a refreshing time at the Boardwalk Water Park or an exciting day of coasters and rides, Hersheypark truly has something for everyone, including our all-new wood and steel hybrid coaster, Wildcat's Revenge. Coming this summer, riders will experience one-of-a-kind thrills found only at Hersheypark. Climb a 140-foot hill, hit max speeds of 62 miles per hour, dive into an 82-degree custom train. Plus, Hersheypark is not just open for summer fun. Enjoy coasters, fun, and Hersheypark happy during Halloween and Christmas too, with Hersheypark Halloween and Hersheypark Christmas Candy Lane.
So it must take 5 minutes to go around, 5 minutes to load and unload. Now it's 15 after. Yeah.